This instruction is used to copy the contents of a file to that of another file. The source file and the destination file cannot be currently open when this instruction is triggered. These files can be on the same file system or separate file systems. Notice that the file name here is in quotation marks. Anytime you use text in these fields, these must be here so that the instruction knows that you're not using a tag. You can use a string tag here, just exclude the quotation marks. Make sure to review how these options will affect your file. If you just want to add the source file to the end of the existing destination file, select this. If you want to delete the original file when this is done, select this. Make sure to note that this is an edge-triggered instruction. It requires an off to on transition. This instruction can be used in a task or program, but cannot be used in a subroutine or interrupt service routine. Only the BRX PLCs have the SD card file system, but all Do More CPUs have a usable RAM file system if they have version 2.0 firmware or above. There is a utility that can be used to manage the contents of any file system. This can be found while the designer software is connected to the PLC and then selecting PLC, Browse PLC File System.